Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay Ducato 335 L3h2 blue very long MOT genuine low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 91,840. MOT, the 28th of January 2026. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.